At ITW Air Management and Pillar Technologies, we're focused on supporting our customers across our 4 brands, including Paxton Products, Pillar Sealers and Treaters, and Vortec. Over the past 6 months, we've studied our business to understand the most compelling organizational structure which can best enable our customers' success in an ever-changing marketplace. Whether it be end users, OEMs, or distributors, we found substantial commonalities in the needs of our customers based on channel. By uniting our sales teams, both from Pillar and Air Management, we believe we can provide the best experience for our customers and enable their success. Doug Biggs was appointed to lead this new organization, including our sales and applications engineering teams.
Our new sales structure will encompass sales managers and applications engineers, all of whom have a wealth of experience in our many industries. With our reorganization, we will be able to bring that experience to you, our customer. With our ability to help our customers up and down the production line, we believe that we will be able to help you with more complete solutions for your everyday challenges.